Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here with a really cool video to help you make your life a lot easier. As you know, we struggle just as you do with these straws coming out of the top of our spray cans. We use a lot of the dry lube, and if you buy this, buy it by the case. It's a lot cheaper. These go in and they come right back out, and they always come out when you're in some area spraying and it shoots off into some distant foreign land that you can't find it. Also, we use the longer straws, as you can see how much longer that is, and they actually have this in a coil as well, so you can get this and cut a 3-foot piece, and that's really handy. You can have somebody run the can while you find the area you need 2-3 feet in, and you can hook it to a stick or a rod and go in and hit an area that's really hard to get to. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. There's only 2 glues that we know that will take care of this. Silicone glue will work, but if it does come out, which it can because this is kind of a hard plastic, the 2 glues will be in the tools list below the video description. All you have to do is put a little drop right there on the end of that. And if you can see that little drop, you don't get it in the hole there. Twist it on a little bit, like that. Tip it up so it runs down onto it. Take your ultraviolet light, hit it like this. And you don't have to do it this long. Usually 5 seconds is all you need, but I go a little bit longer. And it'll take a lot for that to come out of there, especially if you have a new can that has a lot more pressure to it, a new can of whatever fluid you're using. That's it. It will not come out of there. Put it back on your can, and you're good to go. That's your tip for this week. Happy Labor Day for those of you who are hard workers. Mr. Know-It-All out.